We're here. We're at Speed and Design. We're going to go in, check out Gil and Braxton, and let's see what we're going to get into today. And I do see the back side of his truck, so let's check it out. We're here. They're working. We're working on the latest project. What are you guys doing?
Anything and
No.
everything.
We're trying to get this truck done so we can go to Bonneville, right?
Bonneville. That's on the agenda for 2022, right?
So I need to take this thing. I've got a few people already asking, hey, you gonna push me? I don't think they push at Bonneville, but I'm trying to get some NHRA stuff. Some hot rodders want to push their drag cars, so we need to get it done. So it'll be cool.
So you and Braxton are working. You guys got a new engine. We got brakes and some suspension.
We
New
got
transmission.
Yeah, we got the car shipped here, the truck shipped here. It needed work. I mean, I guess I kind of knew what I was getting into. So it needed a lot of work. The motor was bad, so we put a new motor. Transmission was bad, put a new transmission. We fixed all the floors, took the rust out, fixed the firewall. We did the quarter. We did the
Remove the power windows.
remove the power windows.
We unconverted it from power windows.
That weren't power. Yeah, so it would only go up like part ways. So I said, you know what? I'm not really a power window guy anyway. So we put the roll up windows in that. It's getting wired now. So we fixed the suspension. I mean, it's getting there. We've basically gone through the whole truck now and we've redone everything.
We can shorten the story and say that we didn't touch the rear axle.
Well, we did, and we figured out that might be bad too. So.
Show around just some of the other projects. We got a great 3-window here, Gil's 3-window, getting ready to go paint and body here soon, and then we also have a client car, or a truck rather, inside, and this one's getting a new interior.
It's getting a new interior. Yeah, that one we're trying to get out of here before Thanksgiving, so we can have a good Thanksgiving. But we sent out the Mustang. We just finished a Mustang and sent it out this week as well. So we're not as filled up as we usually are. So we're usually filled with cars, but I really need to complete this.
Get it out of the way.
Get it out of the way so we can bring in more with the slam here coming December 1st. So
Yeah.
we've got a bunch of stuff coming in.
But check out Speed and Design. They also did my Roadster, so Gil did my Roadster earlier this year. So you may see some pictures on our Instagram page or Facebook page. But he's going to do some more work first. But you're really close to Nashville, Tennessee, right outside Nashville. So how far you think outside Nashville?
We're probably about 15, 20 minutes from
Okay.
Nashville. Yeah, so we're not too far from there. And just a little jaunt. Just depends on when traffic wants to hit.
Yeah.
Traffic is ridiculous, right? So.
Hey everybody, check out Opposing Cylinders, like and share.
Thanks.
Thanks.